Everybody, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching the property.
In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location is nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Room category 1.
You can see on the screen details like the size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and etc. Check-in.
The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
If you have already visited this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then